Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing a box from Influenster. They sent me the Dove UltraCare conditioner. So this is what it looks like.
So it originally came in a bag envelope type of thing. So I already opened it.
So this is what it looks like inside. So it comes with a card introducing new Dove UltraCare conditioners for nourishing care that truly gets your hair.
A gift for you. Enjoy this free sample of the new Dove UltraCare conditioners for nourishing care that truly gets your hair.
And then it just has more info on the conditioner. So it looks like they have a foam conditioner, cream conditioner, and milk gel conditioner. That's really interesting. I've never tried milk gel conditioner, only cream conditioner. So this is what it looks like. This is the conditioner right here. It is a foam conditioner, weightless plus moisture for fine and dry hair. I've never tried this type of conditioner before, but this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to try this. It looks like a shaving cream bottle.
It doesn't have a smell so far, but
hopefully it works well with colored hair. Even though my hair is already faded, I need to re-dye it again.
It looks like orangey and pink on the bottom.
But anyways, I am really happy, so thank you, Influenster. If you guys don't know, Influenster is just a website that sends you free samples of, it could either be makeup, food, hair care, skin care, and all that type of stuff. So if you guys want to check it out, you guys should. I will be leaving that link in the description box. It is completely free. You just have to connect all your social media and review products that you like and dislike. And yeah, that is all. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.